Want to start scripting in Roblox but don't know where to begin? Here's a simple 2025 guide to get you started with coding your own games. Like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. First, download and open Roblox Studio. This is where all scripting and game design happens. Create a new base play to start fresh. Now find the Explorer and Properties panels. If they are not visible, enable them from the View tab. To begin scripting, right-click on any part or object, click Insert Object and select Script. This adds a Lua script, the coding language used in Roblox. Try typing this to test your first script. Like this, hit play or run and check the output panel to see your message appear. That means your script is working. Want a simple in-game action? Here's an example that makes a brick disappear when touched. Like this script goes inside a brick. When someone touches it, it vanishes. Keep learning by exploring tutorials, testing small projects and breaking down other scripts. Focus on basics like variables, functions and events to build your scripting skills. Ready to create your own Roblox games? Like this video and subscribe for more Roblox scripting lessons every week.